Looks like mermaids are really in this season. Everyone's trying to join the club. We've even got a mermaid Rumi. But let's see if she can make it past the bouncer. Okay, it's time for the water test. Her tail turned to legs. Real mermaids do the opposite when wet. I've seen Splash. Oh, but don't cry. Derpy's got just what you need. It's an under-the-sea beauty box. Complete with a side of calamari. And it looks like he came just in time. Something tells me this is gonna need 8 hands. But first, let's grab that beauty blind bag. Come on, we need all the stuff we can get. Test out whatever you want on this drawing. And soon, it'll reflect on the real you. Now it's time for some serious gardening. Next up, let's add some soap. Really get into those pores. Okay, lather, rinse, and, if you're up for it, repeat. You look clean, but let's do something about that unibrow. Yeah, it's going the way of the unicorn. Now if we can just do the same for your new zits. Don't worry, Sussy's here to help. Let's show these pimples the pecking order. Probably should have suggested gloves for this. My bad. Let's keep things cool. And what's cooler than a cucumber? Here, these will perk up your eyes. And if not, at least you'll smell like salad. You know, you gotta wash out shampoo. Maybe peanut butter will get it out. Wait, Octi here has a better idea. Bubbles. Gonna wash that stuff right out of your hair. And send it on its way. Oh, Octi even brought you a towel. Purple-haired girls just have more fun. But there's one time to add slime to your hair. When it comes with glitter. Glitter makes everything better. After all, it's always best to sparkle. And cowlicks are okay when you get to customize. Looks like someone earned a little Ramune break. Grab those chopsticks. We're ready to go. Ooh, this must be a special seafood flavor. Hey, Rumi's the only star around here. But we could use you for our next craft. I guess everyone's got a little star power in them. Of course, we gotta add our own little personal touch. The sea's full of hidden treasures, but it's more fun to shine. And it looks like you're starting a trend. Sparkling sirens gotta help each other out. If you ever need a stencil, she's always here to lend a fin. Oh, looks like somebody's impressed. But on the subject of hidden treasures, Water? Well, fish gotta swim in something. Wait, fish? Maybe we could fish for treasure. Hold on, it looks like we've got a nibble. Ooh, do you think we've got a rainbow trout? Ugh, no, that's a sock. Let's try again. Hold on, we've got a whole treasure chest. Unfortunately, I think we need a key. Octi, Derpy, do you have any ideas? Well, Derpy's still got lunch on the brain. But he's all business in the back. Wait a minute, it's the missing key! Remind me to never distrust Derpy again. Okay, it's a little more complicated than we think. It opens the compartment to the real missing key. Which leads to yet another lock and key. Oh, pearls. Wait, pearls! We've hit the jackpot! And your face is the perfect canvas. After all, pearls are totally organic. Now it looks like our Pearl Princess has got a proclamation. Wait, it's your brand new tail tutorial. Good thing we stocked up on all these scales. I wonder if it'll work just like that paper face we had. Ooh, well, I think we've just got our answer. Uh-oh, looks like Rumi's the catch of the season. Or at least the catch of the day. Have no fear, Derpy is here. Waste not, want not. Time for a spin on fishnet stockings. Complete with some au naturel decor. Oh, Rumi's really preparing for this moment. Some cockle shells, my lady. How about silver bells? Well, the pretty maids in a row are all on back order. Now we can really liven up your scales. And our friendly neighborhood sea sponge will help. Confused? Here, Octi will show you what to do. Lay it down and it'll give your makeup some nice texture. Talk about being pretty in pink. Hey, it's Sharky! And he brought lunch. His lunch! And he's here to help you add some extra sparkle. Honestly, there's no such thing as too much glitter. Uh-oh, is it a dry season? 'Cause someone's got some chapped lips. Okay, this looks like a job for lip balm. Hopefully one that doubles as lipstick. So, whatever it is, make sure it's nice and red. And this is as red as Ariel's mane. Almost done, but Derpy's got a special surprise. A slap bracelet. All the lobsters are wearing them. But let's add some seashells, the kind they sell by the seashore. Make sure they're glued on tight for the big slap. Now, I think there's a bouncer we gotta meet. I don't think he'll even recognize her from before. Seriously, talk about putting a new face on things. Uh-oh. Do you think she'll pass the mermaid scanner? Wow! The makeover did the trick! We're in! Ah, things are just better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Rumi always sparkles from her head to her toes. Just make sure not to get in her way, Sprunkies. Oh, just imagine if she meant to do that. Pinky, hurry! The mini Sprunkies need your help. Never underestimate the power of some fresh air. Yeah, Pinky's gotta look out for each other. Now, I think we should get you guys out of this hallway. Strap in. Let's just hope the classroom's safe from them. Aw, I really wanted to read her essay. Don't worry, chocolates are always the answer. Plus a little paint job. And you know Derpy's always got your back. Now add a special K-pop Demon Hunter's keyboard inside. Why don't we invite Zoe over? Pretty soon, the gang's all here. Wow, do you think they'll put on a show? Look out, Pinky! A demon! Who you gonna call? The K-pop Demon Hunters! Come on, Rumi. Drop this guy like your latest single. Think she's tough? Wait till she starts singing. Of course, she always works better with an audience. You gotta pay for a show. But she really liked that backpack. Don't worry, we can make you a new one. Just need some cardboard. Just make a nice sturdy box. Seal it up. And make like a kangaroo and add a pouch. Of course, we also want it personalized. I was thinking writing her name, but that works too. Either way, Pinky's one happy customer. Time to show it off. Uh-oh, looks like Derpy ate your homework. You think the teacher might believe that? 'Cause something tells me she's on the warpath. Hey, don't say I didn't warn you, Pinky. But she's nothing to be afraid of, especially when we've got cardboard to help us. Yes, cardboard. It can make all your dreams come true. And it looks like Rumi is her source of inspiration. Now she's here to help you clean up. Makes sense. She's got a real talent for taking out the trash. Careful, all that ink! There's bound to be a spill! Pinky might have something to help. An ear stick! With ears that big, you gotta keep them clean. Once again, our friendly neighborhood Derpy's here to help. Wrap the stick with some double-sided tape. Now we can stack up every Derpy of the rainbow. Try it out. It's your brand new multicolor pen. Start with traditional Derpy blue. Now try red. Come on, there's an entire rainbow of colors to explore. Remind me to add on a purple one next. Okay, we really need to look into a Derpy daycare. Silly kitty. Go off and play with Sussy or something. These pencils are all chewed up, but we can fix that. Especially with our special Derpy pencil sharpener. Don't forget some space for all those loose shavings. How else will we get quarters from the shavings fairy? Let's see if Mini Derpy has as much bite as the original. He does! And keep those in a safe place. These sprunkies sure have a lot of energy. Maybe too much. Is there a daycare for them? Well, we'll just have to make one then. Just need to lay down some parts. And soon, we'll be in the swing of things. 'Cause it's a swing set. Give Wenda a push, Oren. An idol must always be photo ready, even when it's not picture day. Slay. And I don't mean demons. Unfortunately, girls, this isn't photography class. It's okay. I'm sure you'll get it back in June. Besides, all you need's a matchbox. Sans matches. With a few adjustments, it can be a new camera. Just press a button and soon we'll have a whole selfie slideshow. And look, they even come out as stickers. I wonder if they're still saved on the cloud. Ooh, it's test day. Almost forgot this was a school. And by the looks of it, I think Pinky did too. Don't worry, Rumi's here to help. We just need scrapbook paper. Add a friendly sprunky face on top. Now fold it up like a fan. Add a straw on top, and it's our old pal, Aqua. You can let her loose whenever you need her. Never forget, Rumi knows a thing or two about having fans. Hey, Rumi and Mira, did you hear that?
Oh no!
Look, in the trash bin, it's Derpy. He doesn't look too good. Don't worry, we'll stitch you up, good as new. Oh, but there's gotta be something more we can do. Wow, Rumi sure got the magic touch. Or wand. Now Derpy's got a little surprise for you. It's a school, just in case you want to leave show business. Do you think the teacher will be nice? Asaja boy! Oh, I want to see his credentials. Well, if he tries anything funny, we can take him. Unless he confiscates your stuff. But it's okay. We can always make new cool tools. Or wait until June. It's more fun to make a tinfoil wand instead. And he won't take it if he thinks it's just a pen. After all, a girl's got a right. Okay. Lunchtime. It's Mira's favorite. Extra spicy ramen. Uh-oh, lunch isn't until next period. Let's hope this stuff tastes better cold. Always fun to take photos of your friends. Especially when you've got a craft in mind. Take some pink, Mira's signature color. And draw her up a whole new hairstyle. But we're going for the full body look. Who says paper dolls don't have moves? Wow, this really puts a new spin on things. I think Mira likes her new mini-me.